how to do affiliate marketing on YouTube. Hey guys, Scott here with another video. I'm going to break down and explain how easy it really is to do affiliate marketing on YouTube. Let's get after it. All right, you guys, before I go into the steps of breaking it down and showing you how easy it is to do affiliate marketing on YouTube, I want to explain that all you really need is a smartphone and or a laptop, and of course something to be able to edit the videos that you create so then you can upload them to YouTube. Okay, so step number one is find a product. Okay, so if you're doing physical products, I would suggest Amazon or reward style, something like that. If you're promoting like digital products and you want to literally just keep doing a bunch of these, I suggest going to ClickBank, because ClickBank has been around forever and there's tons of digital products where there's courses or software or whatever right here on ClickBank. When I first got onto ClickBank a few years ago, I thought it was so spammy, but it's been around forever and it's legit. There's guys and people out there that are making lots of money because of ClickBank. Okay, so if you go to the marketplace and you've got all this stuff right here, I mean, there's seriously so much. So I'm going to go right to e-business and e-marketing. I'm going to scroll down. As you can see, like this 100K shout out is a new program. You can literally make up to $828 per sale. That's what affiliates are making on average per sale, which is amazing. So here's one that stuck out to me as being pretty cool. This 12-minute affiliate system. Okay, so that's how you choose a product. And step number two is to study the product. Like, watch the video. You can go back and you can actually click on, some of these have these on ClickBank, some of them don't, but right here it says affiliate page. You can click on this, but as it says it right here, you can get up to, on average you're making $56 a month, and this specific program you can make recurring revenue where you're earning $97 a month, $47 a month after month. So really cool stuff. So that's how to find a product. And you do need to study. You need to figure out, what does a product do? What are the secrets? What's the main benefits of this program? Okay. Step number three is to do a video about it. Okay. So in the video, you can literally just talk about it, and that could be a review, doing a review about it. You could also be doing a tutorial video of how to use that product or to show results, etc. So there's so many ways and you can shoot a video about the product you just found, okay? Step number four is publish it to YouTube. Guys, it is very important that you make sure your title, your description, your thumbnail, and your keywords are really specific to the product that you're after, and that it aligns with the content within your video. Okay, and to study keywords, you can go right onto YouTube, and if you get a Chrome extension called Keywords Everywhere, you can literally search anything. So 12-minute affiliate review. See. So right here we can see that the competition is essentially zero. It's because it's a newer product that's been out. Karen Marrow is someone that I trust and follow. She did a video about this 2 months ago. She was ahead of the game. This guy did a thing 5 months ago, 4 months ago. So within the last 6 months, this product has been out. So Karen, she is a part of a program that I am a part of, and she literally goes through an in-depth review. I've watched about a third of it right here, and this is exactly what she does, and she has over 6,000 subscribers and is growing very fast. Okay, step number five is post a link, your affiliate link that you get from the company, within your description. So like right here, Karen Marrow, she adds a link right here for the system. Okay, step number six, guys, is to get paid. Guys, that is seriously the most simple, basic formula to making money online, okay? It's affiliate marketing and using YouTube. It's all free. I mean, as long as you have a laptop or a smartphone, you can create these videos, add your link, and voila, get paid. Now, I want to show you guys my results that I've received from doing this very formula, okay? So I got paid $1,139.70 for promoting one program, this one Transcend commission. And that is a program that I'm a part of. There's a link below if you'd like to sign up for the High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator. I think now it's just called the Transcend within the High Ticket Accelerator. And yeah, I sold one of those, and it was from YouTube, and someone reached out to me, and I was able to communicate with them, and sure enough, I was able to get a sell, and I got a commission. Thank you for watching. Please comment below and let me know if you have any questions about this, and if this seems easy. If it seems easy, comment easy, and let me know what you're going to do to make this happen in your life. Guys, this is a great way to make money online. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe, tip the bell notification if you'd like to be notified when I release these videos, and please smash the like button if you found value within this video. You guys have an awesome day, and I will see you in the next video.